so that's how it come. And no, it's not a VR, but it's a Sony. But just am I mad paying more than that for what's about to come out of this box? And that's the one that I'm using to film on, so let's have a look. This cost more than the DJI, so I've got to put it down. Sorry, stock box, nothing I can do. That's a mess. Dog barking. Can't do nothing without the dog barking. I'm shutting the door. Rubbish in there. There's something in here. What's that plug? Well, wrap up anyway. Right. You've got to it at last. Pull that packaging for it. So this looks like the wire. Am I mad paying more? And this is probably going to be better video still, but that doesn't do night vision, so that's what I want it for. So got control, and hopefully it'll be a lot better than this one. Battery, charger, HDMI, lens, USBs, it looks good condition. I think this is going to take much better video than this Panasonic, so I'm selling this Panasonic one. I'll get it together and see what happens. So that's battery. Yeah, looks like it's recharged. So And then the cap just unscrews like that, and then we get standby, and there's already a memory card inside as well, so that looks really good. Let's check to see what the light looks like. Turn the light off. Yeah, it already looks brighter than this one. So you can see the chair on there and the chair on there. This one doesn't look too bad though. And it's not a good day for taking video today.